Jacob takes Esau's blessings, and his mother sends him off to his uncle's house in Haran. He stays away for a very long time. Upon his return, he sends messengers to his brother Esau, and his messengers bring a curious message and tribute to Esau, who was at Mount Seir. Why Esau is in Seir and how Jacob knew to send messengers there is for another day. His messengers come back and say to him that Esau is coming to meet him with an army. To make a long story short, there is a reunion, but before that reunion, something strange happens. Why does Jacob continue to refer to Esau as my Lord, whereas Esau, after their reunion, embraces him and calls him brother? Why does Jacob prostrate himself 7 times before reaching Esau? The answer is not because he's being nice, because when he left home the last time, they were not on the best of terms. No. The answer is also not that he was trying to give the blessing back. Not today. So the question again, why does Jacob continue to refer to Esau as my Lord, whereas Esau, after their reunion, embraces him and calls him brother? Also, why does Jacob prostrate himself 7 times before reaching Esau? Most of the time, readers of the text of the Bible think that the characters in the Bible know as much as the reader does, which is not the case. I call the readers God because the readers know so much that the characters don't know. Now, Jacob doesn't know a lot of things. We, the reader, know that he goes in and gets Esau's blessing and then he leaves. Jacob is not aware of what happened afterwards when Esau comes back. Jacob is aware, and we, the reader, should also know that culturally, that a blessing gotten by deceit can be rescinded. Esau comes in, and Isaac realizes that somebody had come in, posed as Esau, and taken the blessing. This was his chance to take back that blessing that was conferred on whoever came in and confer it on Esau. But if you read the text carefully, when Isaac asked, who was it then that came? Instead of rescinding the blessing, he confirmed it. A second time, he said, may he be blessed. Whoever came in, I confirm that blessing again. He did not rescind it. Jacob doesn't know this. To him, what is going to happen is when Esau gets in, his father is going to realize that it wasn't Esau, and he's going to rescind the blessing and give it to Esau. He is sent running to Haran. He's not aware of what happened in the tent of Isaac when Esau returned. To Jacob, the blessing was taken and given to Esau. So upon his return, he addresses him rightfully as Lord. We, the reader, know that it was not rescinded. That's the question I posed. Why? You have to look at the text. Sometimes, from the character's perspective, they don't know what we know. One of our Torah scholars, Mr. Chris Lockhart, got the answer hands down. They are a special group, and he's going to be rewarded as such. But our winner is Mr. Emmanuel. Even though he did not get the answer 100%, his attempt was close enough. So we decided to reward him with part of the $150. He gets $50 for a very good attempt. Mr. Emmanuel, congrats.
I'm Untitled Chapter. I'm very happy to announce that I'm the lucky winner of Esau and Jacob question. I want to encourage each and everyone to participate in this Bible quiz. Learn the Bible and be the lucky winner next time. Thanks to Kingdom of Kings Academy for bringing up such an excitement Bible quiz. Shalom.